Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 1. Look at with me here, choose the correct answer. The friction which represents unit friction of the following friction is 1/5. We called it a unit friction because the numerator is 1 and denominator in a number greater than 1. Unit friction 1/5. The result will be letter B about this example. Question number 2. 2 plus 2/5. We can convert this example from mixed number to improper. Write 5 in the numerator. 2 times 5 plus 2. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 plus 2/5. The result will be 12/5. Or you can convert the result by one method. Write 5 in the numerator and 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. The result will be 12/5. Question number 3. 5/100. 5/100 plus 3/10. We can find the result by write the least common multiplication between 100 and 10. 100 can divide by 10. Then the least common multiplication between 100 and 10 equal 100. So we can write 5/100 plus 30/100 multiplication 10 by numerator and numerator. 30/100. The result will be 35/100. The result will be 35/100. Letter C. The angle whose measure is 170 is type obtuse. The measure of right angle equal 90 degree. The type of triangle whose side length 5 cm, 8 cm, 5 cm, we called it isosceles triangle. Letter C. Question 7. 38 divided by 10 equal 3.8. Convert to a decimal number. Put the point after one digit. The result will be 3.8. Question number 2. The multiplicative identity element is 1. Write 1. But if he asked you the multiplicative or the additive identity, it will be 0. But in this example, he asked about what multiplicative identity equal 1. 3/5 equals 6 over space. We can convert this fraction by multiplication to numerator and numerator. 3 times 2 equals 6 and 5 times 2 equals 10. The result will be 6/10. Question number 3. 11/5. Convert to mixed number. Write 5 in the numerator. 11 divided by 5 equal 2 and the remainder 1. The result will be 2 and 1/5. Question number 4. The measure of right angle is greater than the measure of the acute angle. Write acute here in this space. Okay. The acute angle. Question number 4. The measure of the right angle is greater than the measure of the acute angle. Question number 5. The polygon which formed from 3 sides, we called it a triangle. The number 7.12 expanded form, we can write 7 plus 1/10 plus 200th. 7 plus 1/10 plus 200th. This angle, we called it, the type of this angle, acute. Question number 8. The following table represent angle of 3 persons with years, then the value of m in its table equal. To find the value of m, we must add 10 plus 8 and the result subtract by the total number here, 24. 24 subtract by sum of them. 10 plus 8 equal 18. 24 subtract by 18 equal 6. Zm equals 6. The opposite represent, we called it intersected angles between them. 2 angles here. Again, the opposite figure represent straight line here. We called it intersected. Not perpendicular, not parallel, not congruent. We called it intersected. 2 straight line here intersected and 2 straight line here perpendicular and 2 straight line here was parallel. We called it parallel, intersected and perpendicular, intersected and not perpendicular. So the result will be A. 1 subtract by third, the result will be 2/3. The result. Letter C. 0.4 and 0.09. 0.4 greater than, because 4 intenses greater than 0 intenses. Or you can equal parts, write 0 behind 4 here, it will be 40 hundredths, it will be greater than 9 hundredths. 54 hundredths in standard form, 54 hundredths, right? 54 hundredths were letter D. Write the point after 2 digits because it tells us 54 hundredths. It's meaning 54 divided by 100. It will be 54 hundredths. Okay, next question here is the following of a figure represents the mass of a sugar with 4 persons. The mass of a sugar with the first person equal 4 kilogram, right? 4 what? The result will be 4. You asked about the mass of sugar with the first person equal 4 kilogram, right? 4. Right, 4. Okay, understood? 4 kilogram. Question number 2. In the previous graph, the difference between the mass of fourth person and second person. Fourth here was what? The fourth person has 3 kilogram of sugar, and second person has 1 kilogram of sugar. This is the difference between them. 3 minus 1 equal 2. The result will be 2 kilogram. Question number 7. In the previous graph, the mass of sugar with 2 kilogram with what? 2 kilogram with second person or third person. Write third here in the space. Choose third. Question number 4. Answer the following question. 3 plus 5 over 11 plus 5 plus 3 over 11. We can use commutative properties and associative properties to find the result between 4 term here. First, we can write 3 plus 5 in the first step and write parentheses inside parentheses to using 2 properties with each other. 5 over 11 plus 3 over 11. 3 plus 5 equal 8 and 5 plus 3 equal 8 over 11. The result will be 8 and 8 over 11. We use commutative and associative properties in this example. The result will be 8 plus 8 over 11. Or you can write in the next number 8 and 8 over 11 behind it. Question number 2. Ali had 100 lira. He bought a book for 85.5 lira, Egyptian lira. How much money was left with him? We can find the difference between 100 and 85 lira. We can find the difference. Convert 100 from whole numbers to mixed number. 100 equal 99 and 2 over 2. Subtract by 85.5. Okay, 99 and 2 over 2, because the numerator here equal 2, then you must write 2 over 2. Subtract by 85.5, and then you can find the result. It's very easy for you. 99 subtract by 85, 9 minus 5 equal 4, and 9 minus 8 equal 1. The result will be 14 and half. 14 and half Egyptian lira. L8 meaning Egyptian lira. Draw angle of measure 60 degree. We must draw the ray, and then using protractor to draw the angle here 60 degree, and then join by using ruler. Then you can draw angle and write the name of angle such as that A. Measure of it 60 degree. It's acute angle. Okay. Question number 4. The graph showing saving of Ahmed and Ali over 4 months. What month did this word is month? What month did each of them have the same saving? February. Add February. Write February. Question letter B. What is the difference between saving of each of them in April? April, the first was saving 800 lira and the second was saving 400 lira. The difference between them equal 400 pounds. 400 pounds. Okay, understood, my students? This is the end about all questions. You must study hard, and the next time I will complete a question with you. Goodbye.